Now let's launch, if you will, the align command. Again, the old intuitive align icon is a little bit out of the way. You got to drop down the modify panel of the 3D modeling workspace. Click the align command or type the word align, A-L-I-G-N. Command prompt says select the objects. That means what you want to move and swing. That's just the red 2x4, the 48-inch leg of the sawhorse. Hit enter. Now one by one it asks for the first and second or source and destination points of the first, second, and third bungee cord. So the first bungee cord source point is this end point of the red leg. The destination point of the first bungee cord is this end point on top of the blue 2x4 that's already at the right height for the final sawhorse. Now it asks you to place the second bungee cord. Place the second bungee cord source point. That would be the sharp end point at the lower end of the red 2x4 leg. The second bungee cord destination point will be the midpoint of the blue 2x4 at the top of the sawhorse. Now the third bungee cord source and destination point we're asked to place. Third source point would be the midpoint on the bottom of the leg of the sawhorse. And the destination point of the third bungee cord will be the sharp corner of the green 2x4. There it's positioned into place. Let me remove my yellow lines and text that were just made for sake of annotation. And we'll 3D rotate. There is our aligned leg of the sawhorse. We need to slice the top and bottom. That'll be another tutorial, or return to the sawhorse tutorial to watch the slicing process at the top and bottom of the red sawhorse leg. Catch you later. Bye.